Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be looking at some useful tags that are not really in use. So let's start with the S tag. The S tag defines a text that is no longer in use. An example is maybe on an e-commerce website when the price of a product wants to be changed or when it wants to be upgraded, then you use the S tag to put a line across the text like this. So this is what the S tag does. And we also have the abbreviation tag, which is ABRR. AWR. This is used for abbreviations or acronyms. So it works like this. You put an attribute title to define the meaning of the application you want to use. So let's say we are using World Wide Web. So here we put www. Now, it is only www that will show on the browser. But once you hover your mouse on this text, then it displays the meaning of the text like this. Just by hovering on it, you can see that we have World Wide Web displayed like that. All right, so we also have the subscript and the superscript text tag. Now, the subscript works for smaller text. Let's say I'm writing, let's say I wrote a paragraph here. And let's use a number. Okay, and then maybe I was to write 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, this 2 will be various. Okay, no, 2 raised to the power of 2 will be subscript. Sorry, not superscript. Will be superscript, not subscript. So 2 raised to the power of 2 should be subscript. Now, this 2 would be displayed normally, and then this 2 would be subscript. So by doing that, we're going to have something like this. And then we also have subscripts, of course. So if you're writing maybe we can have the same thing. So let's put a subscript of 2 as well, and it's going to be subscript. So we have then like this. And then we also have the article tag. Now the article tag just it defines a self-contained element, like it is independent. So whatever information you put inside the article tag is self-explanatory. It defines an information on its own. It is used. An example is like maybe a blog post, or an example is a blog post. So we use article tags to just, it's a self-contained, it is used to write in some self-contained information. It's a standalone tag. So you can put out of, maybe you have a table of information, or maybe on your web page. Okay, let's use your web page as an example. On your web page, you have a lot of information or contents. Let's say you have pictures and some other things that is talking about a particular matter. So you can use an article tag to talk about a particular thing. Maybe something different from what you have on your web page, but not something entirely different. So that is it for article tag. And the last one, we have address. So the address tag is mostly used inside the footer tag. In the previous video, I talked about the footer tag. The footer tag just is used to position text at the bottom of the page. It carries the year of publication, and it also carries the copyright text and all of that. So you can put the address tag inside the footer tag. So this address can be used for contacts. Maybe you want to put the contacts or even your email address. So the this address tag can be used to write your email address or your contact information in the bottom part of the page. So now we have few other tags. We have few other useful tags that people don't usually use, but these are the few ones we could come up with. Maybe subsequently we'll talk about the other ones. All right, that'll be all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.